we build the future each day. And then we invest a lot of money on the IT. And our target is to meet the need of our clients, to be compliant with the regulation, to increase the efficiency of our processes, and then it's our roadmap about the future. And then I repeat, investment vis-à-vis our clients, regulation and efficiency.
Digital transformation is first and foremost on the optimization of the operations we are performing and delivering to our customers. That's the first point. We are dealing with the buy-side organization, asset management firm, insurance companies, and those organizations are also willing their asset servicing provider to be able to deliver the data that they are servicing in a more optimized manner. So when it comes to digital transformation, what we are tending to deliver today and what we are going to deliver tomorrow is really a mean to deliver the data in a way that would allow our customers to be more efficient moving forward. That's what we are doing. Well, we are a bank. We've been doing banking services for the past 150 years. So we've been safekeeping and guarding assets, financial assets, physical assets. Now we are delivering security and protection as far as data is concerned. As a banking organization, we're going to be governed by regulation, and GDPR is a very important topic for us that will come into play in May 2018. So we are protecting and investing quite significantly. I think that it's fair to say that the financial sector has been heavily attacked from a cyber perspective, and Société Générale as a banking organization is really well equipped to protect the data of its customers, and that's the trend, and that's what we are doing today. So that's what we are making.
We have different trends. The first, if we look at the evolution of assets under custody, and then when we look at the past, between 2000 and 2016, we have a strong growth. For the future, we consider we will have the same trend, not at the same level compare Americas, Asia and Europe, but we will have a growth. Second point, we will continue to have a pressure about the fees. Why? Because we have a pressure on our clients. Because the margin decrease, and then the client wants to have a provider with a decreasing of the fees. And then it's a second point. The third, it's a regulation, and then we will continue to be compliant with the evolution of the regulation. And the last point, it's about efficiency, as I mentioned at the beginning. And then it's the reason why about the building for the future, why we invest vis-à-vis the clients, and then the target is to continue to deliver new services, to adapt our offer vis-à-vis the needs of our clients. The second point, it's about efficiency, because we would like to continue to be competitive, and then for that we have to decrease our cost, and then with the new technology vis-à-vis the client, vis-à-vis our efficiency, we can continue to decrease our cost, and then to be more and more competitive. And then for us, globally, the trend about our industry for the future.